Welcome to this week's edition of From the Leader's Desk. Today we're discussing a significant development in the messaging world. WhatsApp has recently reached a remarkable milestone of 100 million users in the United States. This is an impressive achievement in a market where Apple's iMessage has been highly popular. WhatsApp's ability to connect users across different platforms has resonated with people, particularly in cities like Los Angeles, New York, and Miami. The ongoing efforts to enhance user experience are clearly paying off. Looking ahead, Apple plans to introduce Rich Communication Services, or RCS, in iOS 18 later this month. This update will bring new features like high-quality media sharing and typing indicators to iMessage. While RCS offers exciting possibilities, WhatsApp continues to be a top choice for many users, thanks to its reliable and consistent messaging experience across various devices. As the messaging landscape evolves, we'll keep you informed with the latest updates and insights. Thank you for joining me on From the Leader's Desk. Don't forget to follow us for more insights next week.